water-sensing device that tells the high-speed engine to start as soon as it hits the water. Race across the water up to 20 miles per hour. Self-righting design that will keep your boat upright when it capsizes. This speedboat even has lights so you can drive at night. The self-driving function drives in a figure-8 pattern at the push of a button. Equipped with double waterproof covers to protect the engine accessories and an engine cooling system that will help extend the life of your boat. The controller allows you to swap left and right controls and has a LCD screen that will alert you when out of distance or if the boat has a low battery. Rechargeable lithium batteries are included and a USB charger. Perfect for teens and adults. The radio remote-controlled high-speed racing boat.